Do you see me? Yeah, you see me? I look so good. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by for yet another one. And this time is different. I'm in Malaysia and I felt like my braids did me a good job and I wanted to remove them. So after I went for that rafting, my hair was so I was so done with my hair. Magic Designers did my braids and it served me well until I was so done with that. Also, I have another wig and I wanted to do this video. For me, this is my first time. I've never done this. I want to install my hair. I was very scared. I actually went to salons, a couple of salons here in Malaysia, to ask them if they can install the wig for me. And guess what? I did not find any. Leave alone even installing my hair, my wig. Getting these lines, these wig lines, simple, very simple thing. It was a tough course for me. Let me just tell you, like, I looked for a salon everywhere. I took 2 days. I was so disappointed. And then I had to go 80 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur to somewhere else to go and get an African girl to do my hair. Apart from all my stories, just leave my stories. I have a new wig. That's the most important thing. And we want to install it because we can't find anyone to install it for us. So we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna take that risk. I don't care. Wait, I care. Anyway, let's go straight into the video. So this is how the wig look like. It's a 360 all round 360 lace. It's a 30 inch, but I didn't feel like it's 30 inch, but anyway, it looks good. Just because it was a 360, it made me happy. The hair is from Human Hair Center and I love it. I love it. I just don't know how to like install it. Like I fear, like, you look at this lace. The lace is so nice. The lace is so nice, and I fear like maybe I'll ruin this, and I'm so scared. Or maybe I should just wait for me to install it in Kenya or Masi and install it. Cause I get so scared. Let me just call her right now and then aniambie venye mtu anafanyanga. Cause this is serious. If I ruin this wig and it costed me that much, no, I can't do that. So let me just call Masi one more time, and then she'll guide me what to do when I'm cutting my lace. So let me do that for like 2 minutes and then come back and start installing. This is the glue that I'll be using. This is what Masi recommended, and using my brush. So let's do it. I guess we're not going back. And sticky, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install it. I'm not so sure what I'll do on this side, but I think I'm not gonna cut the lace on the back today or what, because let me just wear it. Has the hooks. Please forgive me, huh? I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Na follow ke Masi ameniambia. So I adjust up to penye. I think they're at the right place. Ooh. Hey, let me just and the lace is looking so nice. It's tight on my head. Like, if sometimes I don't want to use even glue, it will be okay. So I'm just gonna tie it for it to stick fast, and then after I'm gonna cut the lace now. I'm just making sure the lace imeshika for the second time, so that's what I'm doing. I'm tying it, and then we cut the lace now. So Marcia has advised me to cut from here, here, like four times, like in 4 portions. I start cutting, so I'm just gonna do that. I'll start from here. I'm just being careful because I don't want to ruin the lace. This is my first time. I'm a bit scared, and let's just do it. No excuses. We already started. So like that in those portions, and then go now, like not in a straight way, but like, this is how the lace is looking, and it's so sticky. It's already attached to my head. That's a nice thing. So I'm just gonna go start doing it from this side, or this. Start it here. Let me start here.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, for you to love me? Gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me, yeah.
After that, so I'm just gonna apply the glue once again on the sides because it was a little bit difficult here. The glue came off, so I'm just gonna do that. Yeah. I'm not so sure if I want to lay the edges, but I feel like I want to, but I don't know how to do that, and I'm not so sure if I know how to cut the edges properly, and I don't want to ruin my wig. It's just new, and I'm so glad I was like nimeweza kufika mpaka hii point. I can't tell me nothing. I can cut my lace without any help. Okay, of course I called Mercy, but I can cut my lace without like help, like physical help. So okay, naonanga watu wanafanya is they cut it not straight, so to do it like that, I think. Yeah, something like that. I got this as a free gift from Human Hair Center, Shine Styling. So it's written in Chinese. Just a little bit. But for defining curls, I think I will use water, so that the curls can pop. Yeah. This is a Bodywave. Is it called Bodywave? Yeah, Bodywave. I forgot to bring my moves, but we can wait until we are back. I want the curls to be more popping, like more. And then I love this hair because it has volume, like it's so voluminous. I like that. Oh, already I can see myself how I look. But I'm just gonna go out for water and then define the curls a little bit more.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna...
Do you see me? Yeah, you see me? I look so good. Love it. For the longest time, I've always wanted to have a curly hair, and this is just perfect. I didn't like it at first, but look at me. Inches, baby, inches. I'm such a drama. Anyway, I love how it turned. Like, wow. I just love myself. I'm so proud of myself. If I was able to install this hair by my own and cut my own lace, you cannot tell me shit. You cannot. I am so pretty. Thank you. So we're going to the next to it. I just love this. It's gonna be my... This is actually, it's not gonna be, it's actually my favorite wig. I don't have many, yes, but this is my favorite yet. This turned out so well. I'm super proud of myself. I was not sure if I was able to do it. Maybe I thought maybe I'll ruin this wig, but turns out I did it. I did it, guys. I did it. I can't wait for the next install. Like,